Hey Ujjwal, what's the day today? क्या दिन है आज?
Monday?
Sure.
Yeah, Monday. Okay, let me check the calendar. Oops, Tuesday. My bad.
ठीक है, पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. रोज ही घर पे हैं, नो ऑफिस, नो स्कूल. कहाँ से याद रहेगा ना दिन?
Yeah, true that. Every day looks like Sunday.
In that case, no need to learn days in German, no?
No way. Sit down.
Heute lernen wir Wochentage. Wochentage bedeutet Weekdays. Weekdays in German. Wochentage. It's made up of two words, Woche and Tage. Here we can see four words. Woche in red, that means week. Wochen, weeks. Tag, day. Tage, days. Let's start from Sunday and we'll go till Saturday. Sunday in German is Sonntag. Sunday को बोलते हैं हम Sonntag. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. Let me say all the words again. फिर से एक बारी words को बोलते हैं Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. So we are done with the 7 words, but there is also a term weekend in English language. Weekend word को कैसे बोलेंगे हम? Wochenende. So this word Wochenende is made up of two words, Woche, week, Ende means end. Saturday plus Sunday. So both the days combined, Wochenende. Now I have a question. Frage. All days have Tag at the end, as you have seen. Why not Wednesday? सारे दिन जो हमने सीखे हैं अभी जर्मन में सब में टाग वर्ड पीछे आ रहा है वेडनेसडे के अलावा ऐसा क्यों? Let's find out. Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag. 3 days in red, 3 days in black, and then 3 days in gold. And in the middle, we can see Mittwoch. Mittel means middle. So Mittwoch is mid of the week. Hope it's clear. All the words are explained to you now. Thanks for watching. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Subscribe, like and share. Abonnieren, liken und teilen bitte. Namaste und tschüss. Stay safe, stay home. See you in the next video.